Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, so just got the heat sink installed that I got back from We Koat It. I'm going to do these wheels now. So I think I'll start on the front one because that's kind of the easier thing to do. This is the front here. So I need to put the rotor back on, which I have over here. This chair kind of works out. You see? Alright. So these are all the screws here for the rotor. This is the hex thing. So I had to grind this down before. Was this the one I ground down? Maybe it's that one. I had to grind one of these down to fit them on with these wheels. But anyways, let's just stick this guy back on. Alright. Did I get that last one? I think these are the first two we did. It broke. Look at that. I was worried about stripping the things, but that was the last one, so. Alright, cool. Need to buy another one of these. And I hope these are a different size, because if they're not, then I'm going to have to make a trip. Yeah, those are a larger size, I think, so that was annoying. Okay. So, for this one, you have to like loosen these deals up down here. So you have to like hit them gently with a hammer to get it to come out this side. There you go. Alright. So can I set this down? Because there's something I forgot here. Just to stick these black things on. These spacers. Alrighty. You see that? Actually went on. Not much fuss. We gotta tighten these back up. What do you guys think? I mean, I have to see it in the sun. I think they look good. I do think the little ones look better. Maybe. I'm not sure. I have to get used to it. Oh, you know what? I'll be right back. I got a package outside. Alright, I'm back. So I got these to replace these little things right here. Just a little bit of extra bling. And this is going to go on the back here too. Another thing I'm thinking about doing is getting some spoke covers, some black ones. I think that'll probably look pretty good actually, some black. Alright, gotta take this off. I'm pretty sure it's this one again. No, it's not. Okay. So, here we go. Okay. So I need that. Probably one of these bigger ones, maybe this guy. Now, can I do this without the bike falling over? Let's see. Cool. Now, I need to take these off, the brakes, and I believe it goes like this, and that'll be inside instead of this black piece here. So, let's do that really quick. Looks like probably one of these. This one. Probably should have done this before I took off the frickin'. Yep, goes like this. Pretty sure goes like this. Yep. Alright. These are going right back on. Okay, I'm back. GoPro ran out of batteries there for a second. I just got this, tightened back on the new thing there. Okay, next is I have to take that sprocket off because I need the bolts for that new sprocket. Because interestingly, the new sprockets, they don't come with bolts. I think that's really weird that they don't, but yeah, they don't. So anyways, I need those bolts for this sprocket. Let's see. Gotta make sure. Then I have this 48 tooth if I ever, you know, want to put it back on with this chain again. If I don't like that 58 tooth. Okay. So I need those bearing things too to put on here. Yeah. Okay. I wonder how much bigger. It's, you know, a lot bigger. So if you look at that, that's a 48 versus a 58. So that's pretty good. I don't think I need to put the bearings in first. No. Oh shit. You know what I should have done first is I should have taken that chain off first. Now it's going to be a bitch to get that link off. Damn it. Yeah, so guys, always take the chain off when you have the wheel on, because it makes it a lot easier to take the clip off. There she goes. The sprocket is on. Cool. The sprocket looks pretty cool. So these things have to come out here. Alrighty. Anyways, these are for sale. I'm gonna clean them up. I'm gonna sell them for $900 through We Koat It, I think. So they're $950 new plus shipping and all that stuff. So you save $50 in shipping, but once I clean them up, they look brand new, because they are pretty much brand new. Alright. Alright, let's see if we can get this fucking chain off. I might have to put the wheel on first, so that way I can put the wheel on the ground to lower that chain so it's on the ground, so I have some... Yep, probably have to do that. Okay, let's do that. Here goes nothing. Nice. Look at that. I just want to put that on tight enough so I can lower it down and get to that chain. How does that look? I don't know. I think it looks pretty fucking slick. With that chain thing on, or with the guard on, with those wheels. Yeah, and those tires look really nice. Now, this is going to allow me to ride, you know, on the grass, on dirt, over mud and shit, everywhere I couldn't go with those things, and I'm not going to bottom out anymore, like going over curbs and stuff like that. So I highly recommend Flow wheels. I just personally wouldn't recommend this size. They look awesome. If you're strictly 100% street, you're never going to go over mud or, you know, go on any dirt trails or anything. Okay, cool, get those. I mean, you can get different tires for those with some knobbies on it, but you're still going to be bottoming out all the time. You're not going to be riding these up and down stairs or anything like that. But Flow wheels are very nice. I would just get a different set of Flow wheels if I was going to do it again. But we're not either here or nor there, or how the fuck. Alright, so let's just take this bike off for now. So you can see the chains on the ground now, so that's going to give me some better leverage to get that clip off. See? You gotta take it off. And then this is an O-ring chain, so you have to be careful with these O-rings. See these little O-rings right here? See? Very simple chain. None of those O-rings. If they go this way. Now we gotta tighten this up. Cool. What do you think, guys? How does that look? Hey, give me your opinions down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think. So we got the new wheels on. We got the sprocket, 58.2 sprocket. The new battery dead again. So anyway, guys, new wheels are on. Powder coated by We Koat It in Houston. Got these new. I don't know what the hell they're called, but got some of those. What else did I do? Oh yeah, put the heat sink back on. I also had that coated at We Koat It too. Also, so I got the new sprocket, 58 tooth, the new chain, the non-O-ring chain. Got this, the rotor guard there, the red one. I think that looks pretty fucking slick. Let's see. I adjusted the kickstand there for the new wheel size. So I still need to, what do I still need to do? I wanted to do some adjustments on my stock shock there, the rear shock, because it sags too much. And I need to put these levers on. But that's going to be these levers are going to be a different video. Right now I really want to get out and see what this feels like with the new sprocket and the tires back on and the chain. So yeah, let me get ready. I got to throw some shoes on and stuff, change the angle of the camera, and then we'll take her for a spin. Alright guys, see you in just a minute. Alright, let's go for a little ride. Try out the new chain, sprocket, wheels, all that shit. So first ride, guys. Oh yeah. I wonder if I should do a motor tune again. Wow. Huh. I wonder if the brakes aren't really working as good. I wonder what's up with that. Yeah, the brakes are not working. Yeah, need to adjust the brakes. I wonder if I need to bleed them or something. I mean, it's actually just a longer pull. Ah, it's cold out here. Yeah, I mean, obviously it's not going to be as nimble as the 12-inch wheels. But, you know, I kind of like, it's actually a little bit more comfortable. Yeah, go ahead, just pull right in front of me, dickhead. Yeah, the bike feels more comfortable with these stock wheels on. It feels like softer. Now this chain's supposed to be a lot louder than the O-ring chain, but I'm not really noticing that. This is my first time ever running Shinko tires on anything. How do we feel just going slow? Now I should get better mileage on this. Am I on? I'm wondering if, I don't think there would be a reason to do a retune. Yeah, feels good, just feels a lot less nimble. That's the only thing. And the brakes. No, I mean they're working. They're just. Maybe I needed to pump them up. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, now they're working good. Okay. Yep, brakes are working a lot better now. Okay, good. Maybe just taking them off and putting them back on, loosened them up a little bit, like the calipers or whatever, and they just had to adjust. Alright, so I'm going to be selling, I already said this I think, never mind. I was going to talk about the 12-inch wheels, but yeah, it just takes a little bit of getting used to It feels smoother. The ride feels smoother, less bumps. I mean, it handles the bumps a little better, probably because, you know, the wheels are bigger, and maybe these tires help absorb some of the impact. This bike is so fucking pimped out. Ooh, it freaking pulls hard. Yep, it fucking pulls. I noticed the difference between the 48 tooth and the 58 tooth for sure. Yeah, that's more torquey. Plenty of speed. Hey, let me know in the comments, guys, if I need to do a tune on this again since I changed the sprocket. I'm not sure if I do or not. If there's some resistance that needs to... I mean, I'll just fucking do it anyways. It takes like 3 seconds. Alright, and then no more botting them out. That's going to be nice. Let's see what my turning radius is, because on the 12-inch it's like... Oh, no. It's still really good. Anyways, I got to get more work done on this thing, so... Let me just jump off a curb here. Well, actually, I don't want to go on anyone's grass. Yeah, I'll fuck around later. Turning radius is actually still pretty good, so I'm not too worried about it. Yeah. Alright guys, catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.